News, one of the University of Arizona's greatest achievements is now millions of miles away tonight.
The Osiris Rex space probe arrived at its target this morning, the asteroid Bennu. As KGUN 9 on your side, Craig Smith reports, the probe will bring back a sample that could help explain how planets are formed and may help explain how life began.
And liftoff of Osiris Rex.
After a launch more than 2 years ago, hundreds of people who poured their own years into Osiris Rex had the moment they've waited for.
We have arrived.
The applause at the control center in Colorado was echoed at the University of Arizona. U of A leads the Osiris Rex mission. It's the second mission U of A scientists have led. NASA has not allowed any other university to lead even one. Just reaching Bennu is achievement enough, but there's even trickier work ahead. Studying the asteroid for a year and a half, then easing in to grab a sample and bring it back to Earth. Principal investigator Dante Loretta is looking forward to opening that sample.
Probably the best Christmas you could ever imagine as a little kid when you run out to see what Santa Claus brought you. I think that's the closest analogy I can think of. It's Christmas in September 2023.
The sample could bring the gift of knowledge about how the planets formed. Scientists believe asteroids like Bennu are frozen samples of the early planets.
Osiris Rex carries a camera able to see objects as small as a penny. Those optics came from the College of Optical Sciences, and a lot of other departments in the university have a piece of space science.
Chemistry, for example, can help understand what the asteroid is made of and whether it holds some of the raw material for life. University of Arizona President Robert Robbins says space science can help propel the entire university.
As we start thinking about having a human go to Mars, there are going to be medical issues that will be involved in that. So it all comes together, and I think it's the great value and power of a large research university to help to answer, discover new knowledge, and to answer some of these really major questions.
And the Osiris Rex project works to bring more students into science careers, like Kira Burke. She is a U of A senior with a critical job. It's up to her to chart the location of any rock that could damage the probe when it eases in to grab the sample at the heart of its mission. Craig Smith, KGUN 9 on your side.
U of A space scientists have major roles in other potential missions, including a mission to sample the core of a comet and another to take samples on Titan. That's one of the moons of Jupiter.